Hi, today we are going to go over your home loan basics. My name is Sarah Whitley Wren. I am a loan officer here at Whitley Mortgage. We are based in Monroe, North Carolina. We serve all of North and South Carolina, and we don't even really need to see you. If you are unable to come into the office or meet with one of us, we can do everything online. Technology is wonderful. So the advantages to working with a independent mortgage broker or lender is that we can be your advocate. We can shop wholesale rates from a variety of investors. You don't have to just stick with one. It's a very easy process. Everything, like I just said, is online. It's a very, if you have any technology capabilities, it's easy. And if you don't, we can help you walk through that as well. Down payment options. Some as low as 3% down payment on certain things. If you have a property that is eligible for USDA, as low as 0%. Mortgage insurance options vary. Good rates on mortgage insurance. We have the best in the industry. And if you have gifts for a down payment, we can help you walk through that as well, and how to verify assets. A couple of things. When looking at your credit, we look at the number of accounts that you have open and the percentage that you're using of those open accounts. We look at late and delinquent payments. And then one really important thing is you never want to take on any new debt while in the process of obtaining your loan, okay? So I would say don't obtain any more debt once you're even thinking about becoming pre-approved to buy a property. We'll need 2 years employment history in the same line of work, but if you're in college for part of 1 year or for 1 year, we can work with that. And if you're self-employed or if you're a W-2 employee, either one of those work just fine. Your debt to income ratio is a very important part of becoming pre-qualified and purchasing a home. So we look at how much money you have coming in, your income, and how much money you have going out, your debts. Each product has a certain threshold or limit for that debt to income ratio, and that's where we can help you choose the best option for your specific scenario, your home, and your income. So what are considered debts? Debts are like credit card payments or car payment. If you have to pay child support or alimony, that is part of that debt to income ratio. If you lease an automobile, or if you are on a payment plan for purchasing an automobile, all of that is taken into account. Student loans are also part of that. There are a lot of new things going on with student loans right now, so if you have questions on student loans, we'll have to be very specific and discuss your specific questions. There have been some great things that came out recently about not counting certain student loans, but again, this is on a very case-by-case basis, so you'll need to speak with one of our loan officers for more information on student loans. For assets, we will need to verify all assets, including bank statements if you're going to use anything in your bank account as a down payment, earnest money deposit, or due diligence fee. If you're using a 401k, we'll need to verify that as well. If you're using cash, we'll need a paper trail of where you obtained the cash. We can do all of our verifications electronically with your permission, so that's the ease of working with us. And when getting funds to close, you can use a gift. We'll need a gift letter, and we can provide that for you to have your giftor fill it out. You can use a cashier's check for closing, or in many cases, the closing attorney in North or South Carolina will require a wire, depending on the amount of money you're bringing to closing. Again, case-by-case scenario, we can go over that with you. The appraisal process. We will order the appraisal for you. Oftentimes, homes nowadays are not needing appraisals for every single loan. And also, sometimes we at Whitley Mortgage run a promotion where we will have a lender credit provided to pay for your appraisal for you. Don't know when you're going to be watching this, so I'm not sure if we're going to be providing that promotion. Best thing to do is just reach out to us and ask. We do provide homebuyer education courses online for free, complimentary. Certain products, if you are like a first-time homebuyer, will require that you have a homebuyer education course, and we can help you get that for free. And that certificate will be provided once complete. What's next? Okay, so you've chosen your loan originator, you've chosen Whitley Mortgage. if you have not completed the digital application, you'll need to do that now. And if you can upload your income and asset statements, or if you don't want to do that quite yet, that's okay. You can just speak with the loan originator, and then we will help you get pre-qualified for to find out how much you can purchase, and then we'll submit the loan after you have a contract. So you'll probably be working with a realtor, and if you're not working with a realtor, that's a case-by-case scenario. We can talk about the details of that. And then once we get the final clear to close from underwriting, we'll be able to schedule closing. We'll go to the attorney's office. In some cases, I think they could meet you, depending on the attorney in the scenario. And you'll sign everything, and then you'll be a homeowner. Now, North and South Carolina at this time in July 2022 is not offering virtual e-close options. Some states do. North and South Carolina do not. At this time, but it is coming in the future, so you may be watching this video after North and South Carolina offer virtual e-close. Just be sure to ask your loan originator when initially talking with them. Thank you. Have a great day.